Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is a quick clip that we're going to get into that was from a previous video. But as always, not financial advice, for entertainment only. Do your own research. I'm invested in following coins and companies. And let's get into the clip. Iris Energy announces monthly investor update for March 2023. And we'll get into it here. Here are the details. So average operating hash rate 1.9 exahash. I don't like it when they provide the average. I want to know what their end of the month operating hash rate was installed and running. The average could vary quite largely here, depending where they started at the month and where they ended the month. You could get a much lower number than what they actually have. Bitcoin mined is 173, so that was good there. Mining revenue of 4.3 million. Electricity cost was 2,1,722,000. And revenue per Bitcoin was 25, roughly on average. Electricity cost per Bitcoin was 12.5 thousand per Bitcoin. So that was kind of good there, but it has definitely increased for a lot of the miners as well. Corporate update here. So increase operating hash rate by 79% to 3.1 exahash. Near-term ramp up to 5.5 exahash, so that's good. 355,461 ordinary shares acquired by director, Mr. Michael Alfred. So that's good there. That's great to see that they have conviction in what they're doing and possibly going up higher. And that's always great to see when you have insiders buying as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the numbers I have for them, and then we'll get into TeraWolf. So when we go here, let's see here. Iris Energy. So 54.9 million shares outstanding. Stock price is around $3 right now, $2.99. Market cap is 164 million. They have approximately, let me see here. I get into institutions. Current hash rate, 1.9 is where I have them at right now. 1.79 actually is the only way I could get it to work with the numbers and the revenue. Future hash rate, 4.5. That's what I have as far as reported for the miners that they already purchased or have agreements to purchase. They might be getting some more miners. They're saying that they're going to get to possibly 5.5. So they are 43% operational right now. Hash rate growth, they still have 131% growth. And they don't hodl anything. They sell pretty much everything. So their best performing month for Bitcoin production was in October. After October, they had to give back. I think it was like 3 exahash or close to 3 exahash of miners. And then you can see the big drop here in November of production, 151. December was their worst, 123. Then it came back up a little bit to 172, 156, and now 173. So they are starting to get back up here in production-wise. Efficiency also has come down here to about 87.4, which is still pretty good, which is in line with the average of the miners. Could be also towards the top end of a couple of the best performing miners as we have them. And so that's good there. And looking at the numbers here, I do have them at 4.34 million in revenue. But like I said, they sell everything, so we're not even tracking that. And let's take a look at what miners they actually installed here, at least what miners I added into them for March. For March, we have 24.1, or what was it? These 2,000 miners here, the 100 terahash. I added those. And the only reason I added those in was to be able to get to the 3.45 million in revenue. Without those, there was no way I could get it to it with 31 days in operation. So that was good. They also said that they are getting up higher than that eventually, or at the, was it the 5th? By the 5th of April, they were up higher than that. At 3 point, was it 2.3? What did they report here? 3.1 exahash. I think operating capacity increased by 3.1 exahash by the April 6th. Let me see here, where was it? April 5th, 3.1 exahash. So they definitely ramped up a little bit more there. Okay. So that's what we got there. Institution-wise, 34 institutions. So that is an increase here. Also, shares increased a little bit here to 11.78 million. That's 21.42%. We do have still 2 strong buy ratings, 3 buy ratings now. So that's an increase by 1. 2 hold ratings. Price target is still $8 for the high, $6.42 for the average. So that's down a little bit, and the low is still $4. So that's fine there. And based on the numbers I have them at, they should be at a lot higher. So we're taking the numbers from the current quarter that we're in, the 3 prior quarters, and we got them at about 58.5 million in revenue here. 50% net income from gross revenue, we're looking at $10.65 with a PE of 20. And 75% net income from gross revenue, we're looking at $15.98 on them. So they are at $3 right now. I do think that they are way undervalued compared to where they should be currently, as well as some of the other miners are currently way undervalued, in my opinion at least. And they are going to be growing quite nicely here, so they should be going back up here. Okay, so that's it for Iris Energy. Let me know what you guys think of them.